Cats are like the ninjas of the animal kingdom, with reaction times that put us humans to shame. But how do they do it? Well, it all comes down to their supercharged nervous system. Cats have a higher proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which means they can react up to 3 times faster than humans. Cheetahs, for example, may be the fastest runners, but their reflexes aren't necessarily faster than a domestic cat. In fact, a study found that domestic cats had a faster paw strike than cheetahs when it came to swiping at a moving object. When it comes to quick reaction times, cats are definitely impressive. Cats also have a flexible spine,